Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So I have to admit to my audience, I kind of failed you guys in 2023 because I forgot to mention something. A few months ago, later in 2023, we're now in January 2024, I didn't mention that there was a huge change to multifamily loan to values. Well, what does that mean? So before, if you were to buy a multifamily, that's a duplex, triplex, fourplex, you could buy it FHA 3.5% down and you're great. The problem is you had to do FHA to get that low down payment because conventional financing required 15% down. If you were going to live in one of those units, one of the 2 duplex, one of the 3 triplex, one of the 4 fourplex, you're going to live there. You could do it as a primary residence. You used to have to put 15% down for conventional to avoid the high mortgage insurance from FHA, or 3.5% down from FHA. But guess what? Conventional now allows you to do it with 5% down. So you don't have to pay that high mortgage insurance premium with FHA. Remember, I always say FHA is a last resort. You don't want to start with that. That doesn't need to be what you lead with. That's like, man, we can't qualify you for conventional, so we're going FHA. So in this case, it's going to be the same thing. You put 5% down instead of 3.5. If you say, oh, well, I don't have the extra 1.5, then you go with FHA. It's a last resort. If you have the extra 1.5, do it, because there's a high closing cost in the mortgage insurance that's added to your FHA loan amount. Maybe it's not out of pocket, but it is going to be higher cost, more expensive to you. Not only that, the monthly mortgage insurance premium is higher as well. If you're in the market for a multifamily, which is a phenomenal investment, especially if you're buying for the first time, you're going to move into one of those, and then in a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever, you move out, you go, you buy something else, you upgrade. Now you have an income producing property that you put barely any money on. I highly recommend, if you're in this market and you want to do it, to do it. They are more expensive than single family homes or condos, but maybe it works for you. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. Thank you.